Vacuum sits on the charger, but the battery level doesn't move, or the indicator light never confirms charging. This usually points to contact or power flow issues, not a failed unit. With a sharp cordless vacuum, charging depends on clean connectors, a working adapter, and proper alignment on the dock. You might notice the vacuum powers on briefly and then shuts off, or it won't turn on at all after being on charge. In some cases, dust or residue blocks the charging contacts. Other times, the adapter or outlet may not be delivering power properly. A quick reset can also help clear minor battery glitches. Instead of assuming the battery is damaged, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore charging. 1. Remove the vacuum from the charger and turn it off. 2. Clean the charging contacts on both the vacuum and dock. 3. Check the power adapter and ensure it's plugged in securely. 4. Place the vacuum back on the dock properly aligned. 5. Try a different power outlet to confirm power supply. 6. Leave it on charge for a while and check indicator lights.